Section 3. Swyk 1. All right, what are we doing here? Write it as a single natural log. Okay, so all the properties that you have dealt with before now work with natural logs. That's right, folks. I knew I put it somewhere. Nobody's ever going to write log base E of x. You won't see that at a party. You won't see it on a television commercial or like a billboard when you're driving down the highway. Nobody's going to do that. Nobody's going to put it on a t-shirt. Maybe I should put that on a t-shirt just to see if people are paying attention. Okay? But they will write natural log x, and it means the exact same thing. So you'll notice that I used the move it property, right, from Madagascar. King Julian, thank you. And we've got the natural log of 2 to the 6. 2 to the 6 is 64. They just wanted me to write it. They didn't want me to type that on a calculator and get some nasty decimal. They just wanted a single log. Okay. Same thing here. All I'm doing is using the properties. This should be easy, right? We got addition, so that means 8 times 3 is 24. Done. Nothing too whacked out or crazy about that. So using the move it property, we move the 4 and the 7 up, make them exponents. Then we see subtraction, right? And when we do that, then we go, oh, I can change that to a single logarithm of a fraction. The natural log of x to the 4th over y to the 7th. X to the 4th in the numerator, y to the 7th in the denominator, okay? Done with the question, right? So we just had to use the move property and the quotient property. Okay? Solve the equation. Boy, these are a heck of a lot easier than the last questions on the last lesson. Woo! All right, so is it a single log? Heck yes. So the base is e, right? The exponent is -10, right? That leaves me with x, e to the -10th. Man, I need a calculator for that. E to the -10th. Dang, that's a small number. That's right. Because it's the same thing as 1 over e to the 10th. 1 over e to the 10th. Let's see what they want me to write it as. 5 decimal places? Whoa, that ain't it. Oh, there we go. Oh, you can barely round to 1 digit. That 4 turns into a 5. Okay. 0.00005. Okay, there it is. It's an ugly number. Definitely. Okay, question 5. Is it a single log? Yes, it is. How about that? So now we can change it into its exponential form. The base is e. The exponent is 4. What's it equal to? 4x plus 3. Now, e to the 4th is a nasty number. But in order to get x by itself, we're going to need to do 2 things. Subtract 3, then divide by 4. So you'll notice what I wrote underneath. E to the 4th minus 3 all over 4. So we can then do that on a calculator and get the exact answer. They want it rounded to 2 decimal places. I had to use some parentheses so that I could do the division. If you have one of those cool new color graphing calculators, it creates the fraction for you, the vertical fraction. It can, I should say. That would be if you would use, let's see, alpha y equals. If you use alpha y equals, you can get that vertical fraction. Otherwise, you just need to use parentheses, kind of like what I did, to get your answer. 12 point, and what did they want it rounded to? 2 decimal places, 12.90. Okay, 12.90. Next. Okay, when you have something in its exponential form and you want to get it back, but this is space e, you want to use natural log, right? So as soon as I saw e right here, I want to use natural log 801 equals t. Why? Because I can type natural log 801 on a calculator. Yeah, goes quick. I mean, look how fast I can type. It's like incredible. What's the rounding? What do they want me to round to? Do not round until the final answer. Okay. Then round to 4 decimal places. Okay, 4 decimal places. Let's go back. 6.6859. 6.6. Oops. 6. Say it again. 6859. 6859. Just be careful on that because I don't want you missing that for some dumb reason when you know how to do it. Okay. Same situation here. We want to change it to its exponential form. The base is e, so as soon as we saw the e, we knew that we were going to be using natural log, and the argument is 20. It equals the exponent, which is 5x, because logarithms equal exponents. And then we just needed to divide by 5. No, that's not the natural log of 4, okay? Do not be the kid that does that, okay? Just type natural log 20, hit the enter button, divide it by 5. Let's try it here. I'll do it both ways. Okay, I lied. You probably just should use parentheses, and then you won't screw it up. Okay, how many places do we have to round to? 4 decimal places. All right, so what do we got there? 0.5991. Come on, I said I'm writing 0.5991. Okay. Gotta be getting. Oh, here we are. That's the end of the Swyk. Talk to you next time.